today, Inform Entertainer to get promote. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. This video is brought to you by Fezile Security Services. My brother.
Yes, sir.
Uthini ngomdlalo?
Ngithi umdlalo
Asiqale igama mfowethu.
igama uCaptain.
Captain.
Naso uyabonakala.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Naso.
Untshebe. Brandon Peterson.
Yes, sir.
Siyabona. Uthini mfowethu?
No, ngithi thina ke ne.
Yeah.
What happened here ne?
Yeah.
Coach.
Yeah.
We love our coach, make no mistake ne.
Cruz.
Yes.
Yeah.
But coach respected Sundowns so much
Yes.
with the lineup.
Yeah.
We played that's why we won the first two games of the PSL.
We are attacking.
We are attacking.
Yeah.
Now suddenly against Sundowns we're changing things. Why?
He's scared of them.
You look at how Sundowns played against Pulugan and all those teams, ne? They didn't really do well, even on the
And they
FCA.
conceded a lot of
They
goals.
considered a lot of goals.
Yes.
So why must we defend against them? We
Yeah.
understand they are the CAF champions.
Yes.
We respect that and we love it because they're
Yeah.
representing us. But now we are.
But these are the Kema boys of
These are the Kema boys.
South African
We
soccer.
are the only club that matters.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yes.
No one will watch Sundowns.
Yeah.
You can only watch Sundowns when it plays
When they
against
play
Chiefs.
Chiefs. Yes.
Otherwise, Cornell group not 50-27.
Yeah.
That's what there's a corner.
Yes.
Now because there's Kaizer Chiefs involved, that's why I want to
Lebanon.
So now we hate it when the coach respect Sundowns so much because Sundowns supposed to be respecting us, not
Yes.
not vice versa.
Not vice versa.
But however, I'm impressed. I didn't see the goal because ngizathenga amanzi aphuzwayo.
Yebo.
Amanzi kagesi.
Yeah.
So ngizongomsindi ukuthi
Really?
Aviator
Yeah.
umonakala.
Yebo.
Yabo. But now the goal that you considered was very careless. We're not supposed to have considered that goal.
Schoolboy mistake.
So it shows that we are used to conceding against Sundowns when it's even unnecessary.
Yes.
So that's why the coach defended against Sundowns.
Yeah.
So it must come to an end. We're gonna meet them in the second leg of the league.
Attack.
We must show them that we are bigger than them.
Yeah.
And they know it.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, siyabonga mfowethu.
Thank you, sir.
We talk football, let's say.